Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm continuing my tour in Hamilton with my first stop being the Westfield Heritage Village. So this is a living history museum and it has over 35 restored buildings all over here. It's a beautiful day, the weather's perfect, the sun is out, the leaves are changing colors, and today is also a Sunday, which is the day that they have volunteers in these buildings giving you a little more information about what was happening in those times. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started with the tour.
Make it a little bit weaker as well. It can rust conform into air really easily with some party surface.
Working on doing the last couple of hot brushes here, but basically what I've done here is I forged a leaf into the end, and then I did a wrapped handle there. And then
except instead of being made out of wood, it's cast iron, so you can mass produce them and ship them around.
So I'm about halfway through my tour of the Westfield Heritage Village and it's going amazing so far. So one of the things I wanted to let you know about was this little guidebook that they give you when you enter. So this has a little bit of a map and each of the buildings are numbered and there's a description of what each of the buildings are as well. So when you come here and if you're here on a Sunday, you can actually look out for the open sign, which means that there's a guide inside to give you some more information about that building. So far I've been to a blacksmith shop, which was so interesting because I've never seen a blacksmith shop before. And I've also been to a printing shop, an inn from the olden days, and a couple of old houses as well from the olden days. So it's very interesting for me to see how people used to live and how life was like at that time. So I would definitely recommend that you add this space to your list of places to visit when you come to Hamilton because it's very interesting.
They keep coming back. Why don't we do what's going on? So instead of trying to cure the ulcer with morphine and mercury and everything else, let's go down and find out what's going on.
Right.
So it's been about 2.5 hours and I'm done checking out the Westfield Heritage Village. I really enjoyed this space and I highly recommend that you check it out as well if you're interested in history. So now that it's almost 3 p.m, I'm going to go and grab myself a bite to eat. Today it's going to be something super simple like Tim Hortons because I want to check out some other spots around this area and I can't really find any other restaurant here. So just going to keep it simple, grab a bite to eat at Tim Hortons and then move on to a couple of more spots before I call it a day. So let's go. So can you believe it's almost 6 p.m.? So after eating at Tim Hortons, I got into my car and started driving around to go see the waterfalls. And either parking was not available, or I just couldn't find like the entry point for checking out the waterfalls. So I literally went to 3 to 4 of them, and then I just gave up because it was just never ending. I had been on the road for an hour to an hour and 15-20 minutes. So yeah, I've decided to call it a day right now. But thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. I know I only covered the Westfield Heritage Village, which was totally worth it. So definitely check that out. And maybe I shoot another vlog once I've figured out how to get to these waterfalls, or if I wake up super early and get there before anyone else and grab those parking spots. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to be posting a lot more travel related content. And also don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.